Hello, today I'll show you top 15 things to do in Würzburg, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Marienkapelle. Number 2, Museum für Franken. Number 3, Alte Mainbrücke. Number 4, Würzburg residence. Number 5, Collegiate Stift New Münster. Number 6, Marienburg Fortress. Number 7, Rathaus Würzburg. Number 8, Fürstengarten. Number 9, Würzburg Cathedral. Number 10, Martin von Wagner Museum. Number 11, Hofkirche. Number 12, Käppele. Number 13, Schloss Weitschoheim. Number 14, Museum am Dom. And the last one, number 15, Röntgen Memorial Site.